Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make steamed sticky rice. So first put the water in the pot, about 1/4, so they don't burn out or dry out. And this is bamboo bucket. So I'm gonna go ahead moist this. Just make them moist, so because bamboo they dry out, so when you make them moist, make them soft. When you steam, so this bamboo don't break off. I mean, they're not gonna break off. Just make them moist and soft. That's all. Now this is sticky rice. I soaked in the water 2 hours ago. It's soft and moist now. See that? Soft and moist. 2 hours is good enough. And then now you're gonna clean first. Okay, and then go ahead, rinse it out. Alright, get the new water in. This is like 3 times I clean it out. 3 times, it should be good now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the bucket. Just take it like this, go like that. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead dumping out all of this. Let's go ahead, finish it up. All the rice in here. All the rice in here now. Okay, all the rice in here now. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. Just spread it out, make it nice and then moist and clean. Okay, that's ready to go. Cover bucket. Have to moist everything. Moist everything and then just go ahead and cover like that. Cover like that. Lift up this one to put in the pot right here. Okay, now sticky rice bucket in the pot right now. So I am gonna go ahead and turn the light on. Okay, it's just steam about 30 minutes. 30 or 40 minutes. Everything here ready to go. And this is for party, my friend's birthday. You know, American kid, they want to eat sticky rice, so I promise I'm gonna go ahead and steam sticky rice for them. I'm gonna show you how to cook perfect sticky rice steam Lao style. Okay, I'm gonna cover good. I come back. I'm come back for 30 minutes. Check this out, okay? I'll be back. Okay, guys. Okay, 25 minutes later, I come back to my sticky rice steamer. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Okay, time to flip over. Have to flip over. Okay, this is plain water. What I'm gonna do, I try to put the plain water in here a little bit, make it nice and moist. Make it nice and moist and soft, guys. So this rice is gonna be nice and soft. This is Technics. This is secret. I steam sticky rice. This is technique of steam sticky rice. So let them steam another 15 minutes. Okay, let them steam another 15 minutes. Just keep mix them. I add on the water on the top. Let them nice and soft and moist. So go ahead, cover again. Cover again for another 15 minutes, and I come back. Okay. Okay, I'm going to flip over. You know how to flip over, it's not that easy. I'm going to show you. That's how you do it right here. Just flip over. See that? I flip over, make a nice another bottoms up because the bottoms cook very well and the top is kind of not very moist yet. So I flip over and doing like this. When you flip over, you're gonna open this top right here, turn over. Yeah, turn over and let them moist again and cover. Cover another 10 minutes. Okay, my sticky rice 45 minutes total. I thought I was gonna steam only 30 minutes, but it's now gonna be 40 minutes. It's done, ready to go. Yes, for party tonight. They're gonna enjoy this. My sticky rice, how to cook perfect. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put a Ziploc bag. Okay, I have some trick. Sticky rice gonna be over here. I'm gonna let them cool down and put in the Ziploc bag. Ready for party? I have some trick. Put something in here special. Look at this smart balanced butter. It's very smart. I'm gonna put this one in there to make the sticky not sticky in your hand. Sticky rice gonna be nice and soft and not stick in your hand. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna go ahead, put this on top right here, and let them be moist. Alright, make a mess. This is a good idea to have this part right here. So put sticky rice in here like this, so let them stand by. That's it. I should have think about it a long time ago. And now I put the butter in here. This is not going to be fat because it's smart butter. Put in here and make it nice and moist and don't get sticky in the hand because a lot of kids, they love this sticky rice, guys. This is perfect how to cook sticky rice. Perfect. And I'm going to flip over. See how to flip over? Like that. And turn around. This is going to be butter. Butter steamed perfect sticky rice. Alright. So I will come back to you after I make this one done rice. I'm going to show you one more time. You know, this is the key. When you try to make this sticky rice nice and cool down, you know, mix them together before you put in Ziploc bag. So everybody can enjoy when they have party, you know. I'm telling you, the American kids, they love it. You know, this is can eat with anything. It's so perfect with everything. Because a lot of people don't know how to cook perfect sticky rice. This is the way I make Lao, L-A-O, Lao, sticky rice period. So here we go, there you have it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in Ziploc bag. Nice and yum. Okay, right now, go ahead and put Ziploc bag right here. Just enough for serve for one person. Right here, just like that. Enough to serve one person. And here. And this is the secret of to keep sticky rice warm. Gonna be this lunch cooler. I put in there one bag. I believe I have the 50 bag in there. So that's stay in there. Okay, the sticky rice party ready to go. Sticky rice party in the cooler. Make it nice and warm all day. Stay 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever. You know the secret of cooking sticky rice. Like I show you, you know, you steam that and 15 minutes later you turn over, turn around and put the water in there and then steam again. You steam again and after that put the water in steam again and you make it, you know, stir to make together and make it nice and moist and soft. And when you finish that for 40 minutes after and you take it off, and then how I do it, the secret of put water in the rice after steam and the butter. You can choose the butter whatever you want. Any butter you can put into. That's the secret of my cooking. When you touch the sticky rice, no sticky in your hand. You know, this is like a nice and no sticky. Put the butter in there and then just mix around together, and after that put in Ziploc bag and put in here, guys. And then there you go, you have it for the party. They're gonna enjoy tonight. I can't wait to see what they eat. This is what I got for you, how to cook perfect sticky rice. Secret of mine. Don't forget about add on some more water on top of rice. Just sparkle on top of rice, and then after you're done, add butter. And that's it, guys. And here comes sticky rice perfectly. And you can eat, you know, if you see, if I touch it, no stick in the hand. You see that? No stick in the hand. It's just so good. Just like that, and you just eat it. Usually sticky rice very stick in your hand all over. This one, when I put butter in there, that's a technique. The secret of you serve your sticky rice. And it's delicious. You know, butter you have a little taste, little salty, a little bit. That's okay because the rice very plain. You put in there, and after that, look at this. Yum. See that? No sticky in your hand. See that? So good. And enjoy. You guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will come up show you more of my techniques. Okay, guys, see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.